guys, welcome back to my channel, Attorney Brooke. Thanks for tuning in. I have something extra special today that I wanted to share with you guys. One thing about me before we jump into it is I am a shoe fanatic. I absolutely love heels. I pretty much only own slides, like flip-flops or heels, and maybe like 2 pair of sneakers and pretty much nothing in between. I wear heels for work every day. If I'm going out, I throw on heels. So naturally over time, I've been building my shoe collection. I definitely have pairs that range from like easy office, like more affordable because I'm very hard on my heels that I wear more every day, all the way up to designer brand, and I'm obsessed with every single pair. So something special today, as you can see, is the Fendace line. This bag in particular is by Fendace, which is a designer swap collaboration between Fendi and Versace, hence Fendace. And I bought this particular piece at the Versace boutique, and it has influence by both designers, Donatella Versace of Versace and then Kim Jones, I believe, of Fendi, had worked together to create this collaboration. So I know that Fendi has its own set of merchandise and then Versace has its own set. So different styles you'll see in both, but stay truly collaborating Versace and Fendi. So I'm very, very excited to unbox it. I was scrolling the other day, just perusing Versace online, saw these shoes, literally went that day and had to try them on, and I left the store with them. Wound up at the store and left with this pair. They are so stunning, but let's start with the packaging. Obviously, it's gonna be one of a kind for that collaboration specifically. You see the double F Fendace line with the Versace Medusa head. We have this Fendi border all the way to the Fendi ribbon, which is absolutely stunning. And then you have even down to the tissue paper. So I know that there are some crazy designer collectors out there that love all the packaging. They want to see it, they collect it, they save it. This one's really pretty. I'll give you guys a close-up. It's a huge box. Okay, so let's just dive on in. Up close, you can see the Fendace tissue paper, so pretty. Love the ribbon. I wish they would have cut me a longer strand. I think it's so cute. I mean, if you're really wanting to like vibe with it, you could even like throw this in your hair as a little bow or something and it would be adorable. So cute ribbon. Ooh, nice and thick, quality, so gorgeous. And I'll do the honors. So giant bag, but here is the good stuff. So pretty. You get the Fendace custom shoebox all the way around. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So here in Houston, Texas, where I bought these at the Galleria there at the Versace boutique, I believe they came out to about $1,300 out the door. So obviously higher end designer prices, but they are so pretty and it's just my obsession. So I make no apologies. We'll just go in. I'll open it up. We have it opened. You get the Fendace custom dust bag. So cute. So for me, I'm kind of bad about my shoes. I definitely don't store them in dust bags. I do collect all my dust bags, but I use them like when I travel for like toiletries, jewelry, stuff like that, but I love having them. This one's super cute. And then again, you get that Fendace tissue paper. Get ready. Look at these beautiful, beautiful shoes. I mean, who do we think we are? Oh! So you have the Fendi F's, that monogram print. You have the classic Versace brooch on the toe. We literally are going to stab someone with this point. Like, could we be any prettier? Could we look any more elongated in these? I don't think so. We have the custom branding of the Fendace tag. I mean, let me just give you a close-up. I mean, beautiful. Love, love, love these because I definitely go for a classic pump most of the time. That's generally what I wear just by the nature of my work and things like that. So this one is super pretty because you get that elongated point that's just snatched, and she's a goddess. But I really love this like tapered, angular stiletto, and it even kind of thickens just a bit, but so pretty, so unique, different than just like a standard pump. But also this one's pretty classic. I think you could tone it down. You could throw it on with a suit, a pair of slacks. You could throw it on with a fun outfit. Like I would literally even wear it with this top right now and maybe throw on some black jeans. Go grab a cocktail, go out to dinner. I personally love high heels. This one is probably at least a 4-inch heel. Love it, stunning. And I am so excited to add this to my collection. I'm obsessed and I cannot wait to wear them. This definitely feels quality. You definitely get the quality in those designer shoes, designer items. Definitely like very structured, kind of like the little basket that your toes sit in, very structured. It's gonna give you that support you want. I like that high gloss, almost like patent look. Very, very pretty. Just an all-around stunning shoe. The shape is a little bit different back here. It's a little bit angular, which gives it a bit more of that like structured, like geometric look. She's pretty. So you guys got one of the first looks of these beautiful Fendace pumps. I've also dabbled in the collab that Gucci and Balenciaga came out with, I think earlier this year. I can't remember, maybe last year exactly when, but stunning collaboration as well between those two designers. I got a pair of pumps at the Gucci boutique. I saw these and literally died. So here's another version of a collaboration. These are definitely worn them several times. I wear them out to the office. Not as high of a heel, so just you can kind of get a little bit more comfort and wear out of them, but we're so cute. We have that Balenciaga labeling all the way around, the classic double G Gucci brooch right there on the toe. Super pointed, just love, love, love. Just a classic pump, I feel, can just be timeless all around. Like you can throw these together with jeans, dress, slacks. Same with the Fendis. I'll show you guys together. These are the type of designer shoes I go for. I like them just where I can switch them out between workwear, going out, dates, anything like that. So in all of my heels, I like to size up about a half size because I want a little bit of breathing room in my heels with the toes and everything. My feet are a little bit wider, so I like to size up, and then it also leaves room to add in this heel cushion that's adhesive. Heel cushion is adhesive. You can buy them at any drugstore, HEB, Amazon, CVS, anything like that. Slap it into the back of the heel. It's gonna keep, for me personally, from rubbing those blisters. Literally any pair of heels I have to put the cushion in, or I get blisters. And then it just gives your feet some room to breathe throughout the day. Our feet naturally just swell and retain a bit more fluid throughout the day, especially when we're walking around in heels and everything. So I like to do that half size up and just add in like the feet treatment that you need within the shoe. And I promise they're so much more wearable. They're so much more enjoyable. And when your high heels fit well and they feel good, it brings you so much more confidence. You can walk through the courthouse. You just feel so much more confident when your heels feel good. I am such a heel gal. I have to wear them. It's just part of who I am. It makes me feel good. And I love sharing these fun heels with you guys. And I hope to grab some more in the future and get to test them out, throw them together with some great outfits. I loved sharing this with you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more of those unboxings of the luxury items as I add to my collection over time. I will see you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.